welcome back to One Hot Bite. Melissa here, where healthy doesn't have to be boring, and welcome to part 2 of the lean versus mean series. Today, as promised, I'm going to make eggnog, and I'm going to show you the difference between a regular eggnog that you can make from scratch or buy from the store versus a light eggnog that you can enjoy guilt-free during the holiday. We're going to meet goals and enjoy ourselves this holiday season. So I'm going to show you 2 different eggnogs, and I'm going to show you exactly where I've cut the calories and fat. I'm going to cut 60 calories and 18 grams of fat out of this recipe. You can add alcohol to it, you can have it virgin style, you can have it for the whole family. So I'm going to show you a couple things we're going to do different. I will show you along the way some of the major differences. With the regular one, you're going to use a lot more egg yolks than you do in my recipe, and you're going to use heavy cream that you're not going to use in my recipe. We're going to use fat-free sweetened condensed milk. I also want to take 1 second and thank you so much for being here. Thank you for participating in my new series through the month of December. We're having a lot of fun here. If you haven't already, please subscribe down below. Okay, one ingredient you're going to find in the lean eggnog, this is 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. That's going to help thicken this and give it that thick, creamy texture that regular eggnog has. And this is 3.5 cups of 1% milk. And this is 1/2 cup of fat-free sweetened condensed milk. That's going to be our sweetener, and it also gives it a little bit of that thick texture as well. And this is 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Just a dash of salt here, and now we're going to add our eggs. So we're going to separate the whites from the yolks, and this is one of the major differences in the mean eggnog and the lean eggnog is I'm going to only use 2 egg yolks in this recipe, where a typical eggnog has anywhere from 4 to 6. So that's a major difference there. And on the milk, I used, once again, the 1%. A regular mean eggnog uses whole milk. So we're going to beat up these egg yolks a little bit, and we're going to go ahead and add that to our mixture. My mixture wasn't warm yet. We're going to do this over medium heat. If it was warm, you want to temper those egg yolks. So that's adding a little of that warm milk to those egg yolks, whisk them together, and stir them. This is 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. So we're going to go ahead and heat this over medium heat, stirring frequently until it thickens up, which it comes together pretty quick. So heavy cream, that's another ingredient that's in the mean eggnog, as well as granulated sugar, which we did not add to ours. Once it has thickened up to our desired thickness, we're going to go ahead and pour it into a bowl. We need to chill this. And this is where you're going to add your alcohol if you choose. I am going to add 1/4 cup of bourbon. You can do brandy, you can do rum, you can put whatever you want in there. We're going to give it a little stir. And now we're going to take plastic wrap and put it over the top. We're going to put this in the fridge for anywhere from 2 hours to overnight. We want to make sure that plastic wrap covers the top of it, or a skin will develop while it is chilling. I want to cover the entire surface, just like this. Now, this is the mean eggnog. We're going to pour this into a glass. I wanted to show the heavy consistency of it, nice and thick, and a dash of nutmeg over the top. We're going to treat both of these the same. Here is the lean one. You can see it is still thick, not quite as thick as the other, and creamy. We're going to give a dash of nutmeg to that one as well. So you can see here, this is the mean one. This is the lean one. There's a slight color difference, just that's the egg yolks that are going to create that more yellow color. Okay, there you have it. Here is one cold, delicious bite. So we have our regular eggnog here. It's going to come in about 307 calories. You saw the differences we did there. We're going to give it a taste. Super good. It's really sweet. It's really thick and creamy. 307 calories, 21 grams of fat. So this is an indulgence for sure. So let's try our lean one. It's still creamy. It's not as thick as this one. It's still sweet. It has that delicious balance to it. 147 calories, 2 grams of fat. So you can have one of these or you can have 2 of these. So basically you can see, you can definitely indulge in the high, mean one, or you can have the lean one if you really want to watch your calories. You're still going to enjoy them. They're still both creamy and eggnoggy and delicious. You can spike them with a little brandy, as you saw that we can do as well, and have no guilt. So again, I'm here to give you options. I'm here to show you where you can cut calories and a huge difference you can make in each recipe. So happy holidays to you with eggnog, and I'm going to be coming at you with another lean versus mean recipe, and we're going to make crab eggs benedict. You enjoy your eggnog, you can pick mean or lean, and you guys have a great day. I'll see you next Monday.